Around thousands of migrants stranded at Chennai from past few days without food and water. Seeks urgent help to return to their state.
Evidence from the reports of the print and visual media in the past 2 months, it could be seen that the guest workers and agricultural workforce were neglected the most in this crucial period of COVID-19 pandemic. One cannot control his or her tears after seeing the pathetic condition of the migrant laborers shown in the media for the past 2 months. Thousands of migrant laborers are stranded in Chennai in pathetic condition due to long-running lockdown all over the country. Around 10,000 of migrants of Tripura have been stuck in Chennai, gathered outside the Chennai Central Station from the past few days. They have been continuously trying to contact the leaders and members of the Congress party through various means, urging them to take necessary action in bringing them back to their homes in any means. A ray of hope struck them when Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi directed all the Pradesh Congress Committee to take necessary action in bringing stranded people back to their homes free of cost. Around thousands of men are stuck in the roads of Chennai from past 3 days without food and water. The hopes that they got after the directions of Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi's gesture all went in vain when Tripura Pradesh Congress under acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas did nothing to solve the problem. According to reports, acting President Bishwas collected a lot of revenue from the market, gaining lakhs of profit against party coupons, but he did not utilize a single penny in bringing those stranded back to their home. Unlike previous deeds, this time too, Pradesh Congress acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas ignored the directions of Congress High Command. Reports also say that whenever acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas receives a phone call for relief or help in bringing back migrants to their own homes, he answers inavailability of himself in the station, but in reality, he is present in the state itself and regularly visiting party office every day. Considering another fact, the Congress party office remains open from 10 am to 3 pm in the afternoon and closed thereafter all these days. People in need of urgent help returns empty-handed, finding the office doors closed. A section of the party believes that if such deeds continues under acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas, the party is soon going to remain only in the signboard. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.